In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your billing address on PayPal. Let's begin. So once you've opened up the PayPal app, simply head over to the top right and then select your profile icon. Afterwards, select the first option where it says personal info. It's going to list different things such as your emails, phone numbers, and then at the bottom, your addresses. Head over to the right side and select see all. So it's going to simply list your primary address, and if you want to add in another one, head over to the top and select add new. And from here, it's going to give you the option to enter in a new address. Then once you're done, there's going to be another option that allows you to make this address your primary address. You can just tick that and then select save. Then it's going to say you've added a new primary address. So now we have two addresses, and if you want to switch your billing address, simply choose which address you want to make as your primary. If you want to switch back, select the primary one at the bottom and select the button which says set as primary. Then it's going to ask you to confirm, but now we're going to switch back to the new one. What we need to do now is simply head over to our wallet section at the bottom right. Then it's going to show you all of your linked cards. Simply select one, and there's going to be the billing address. If you want to edit it, simply head over to the bottom and select the icon where it says edit. Then you'll be asked to enter in the expiration date and then the security code of that specific card. If for some reason that does not work, then you can head over to a web browser on your iPhone and then log into your PayPal account. Then go to the top left and then select the three horizontal lines. Then head over to Wallet. Then choose one of your linked cards, scroll down, and then select Update Card. Now at the bottom, it's going to say Billing Address. Simply select the drop-down option and select Add New Address. So as you can see here, you can choose another address. So we listed the other one when we open up the PayPal app, and it is updated here. So we can simply select this other address. But if you want to add in another one, select Add New Address. And then it's going to ask you to enter in the address line, suburb, city, town, postal code, and that's it. That is how you can change your address on PayPal.